The Motorola Edge 80 Ultra 6G pushes smartphone innovation to the extreme, combining futuristic connectivity with true flagship-grade hardware. Its stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display delivers razor-sharp resolution, ultra-smooth scrolling, and incredibly vibrant colors, making it perfect for competitive gaming, high-definition streaming, and immersive everyday use. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, the device offers blazing fast performance, advanced AI capabilities, and exceptional power efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking and top-tier gaming performance without slowdowns. Photography reaches a whole new level with the groundbreaking 400MP main camera, designed to capture extraordinary detail, improve dynamic range, and professional-level clarity in both daylight and low-light scenarios. Supporting all this powerhouse hardware is a massive 9,000 mAh battery, delivering extended usage that can easily last multiple days on a single charge. With its premium design, next-generation performance, and unmatched endurance, the Motorola Edge 80 Ultra 6G stands out as a true powerhouse built for users who demand the absolute best.